Hi, I'm Bree Balchunas, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for February 24th. Most days at the UF Health Cancer Center at Orlando Health, bells ring happily, signaling the end of our patients' cancer treatments. Recently, after 29 radiation treatments, one of our patients and team members celebrated to a different tune, in the style of a ballroom dance. Lawrence Silverberg was a professional ballroom dancer. He went blind last year and then found out he had a brain tumor.
I'm very passionate about dancing. I've been dancing for about 20 years. I teach and I compete in ballroom Latin. I met this lovely lady who works here, and I mentioned that I dance, and she always was very interested in that.
After listening to his stories, I just was so fascinated, and I was like, tell me more, tell me more. And so eventually he asked me, well, you're so interested, why don't you dance with me one time? And I was like, And
I said, well, let's dance together. She said to me, well, we'll do that on the last day of your treatment. And here we are on the last day. She lived up to her bargain, and she did beautifully. She was very, very good.
After all that he has gone through and endured with the diagnosis, with the treatments, and having to lose his eyesight, I feel like definitely being able to bring something positive to that situation that he's been enduring this long. It is encouraging. It's definitely empowering me and keeping me focused on, as a team member or being part of Orlando Health, that we're keeping the experience positive and that we're definitely enjoying what we do. And I feel like this is another way that I can enjoy being a guest services representative, is definitely going above and beyond for our patients and for our guests.
Next, it's that time of year again to prepare for the annual mock emergency exercise, which will be held on Thursday, March 10th. Agencies from around Central Florida, including fire rescue, law enforcement, EMS, and other hospitals, will be participating. This year, the drill is even more important than ever with the rise of violence, natural disasters, and mass casualty incidents. Here to tell us more is Dr. Crespo.
When we had the case of MERS in Dr. Beasley's hospital in 2014, we felt that we actually were prepared, and things were better than we expected, because we had an exercise in the hospital a few months ago, and that exercise was of an actual case of MERS.
Also coming next month is Take Charge of Your Health Weight Management Program, which is accepting new enrollees from March 1st through March 16th. This is a 6-month intense program offered free of charge to any team member or to adult dependents who have a body mass index of 30 or higher and are enrolled in the Healthchoice medical plan.
Being able to be an employee here and take advantage of such an amazing program, I just love it, and I just want to say thank you to all the people that put it together, that spent the time invested in me. It was awesome.
Enrollment packets will be reviewed, and only 45 members will be accepted into the program. The program will begin the first week of April and run through the end of September. And for our last story, for the first time ever, Orlando Health is offering a grant program to help support what team members are passionate about in the community. This program will allow team members to pilot ideas or enhance current initiatives that extend beyond our hospital walls. Grant applications are posted on Swift under the Community Benefit page, or use keyword grant program in the search. Applications are due by February 29th. That's it for today's edition. For the Orlando Health News Review, I'm Bree Balchunas.